Meaning of extrajudicial.
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 Extrajudicial. Extrajudicial refers to actions that are taken outside of the legal system or without regard for the established legal processes. This can include acts of violence, coercion, or punishment carried out by individuals or groups without the authorization of the law. As a result, extrajudicial actions often lack accountability and can lead to violations of human rights and the rule of law. These actions can have serious consequences, including loss of life and liberty, as well as damage to the principles and institutions that underpin democratic societies.